Hello friends, welcome back to Brazil Malus. This time we are going to install Eonon head unit in Mazda's 3 car. So this car is 2014 model. So we are going to install this one in that 2014 Mazda car. So unboxing, we have already taken this out. So this is the main head unit, and these are all the cables that comes with. Have the GPS module, one OBD diagnostic interface, probably not needed for this purpose anyway, and all these cables, and comes the extra mic. They provided the dash cam and then the reverse camera along with this. This costed around $450 Australian dollars. Now let's install it. Power. No, this is radio. Okay, so what we did, we connected this to power, and then this goes here, and next one is for this connector. Okay, so for this connector, this is basically the auxiliary in, so which actually comes from the box there. So we need to find this plug, pin for this one. So here if you see, so H is the one. So let's see auxiliary video, auxiliary right, auxiliary left. So we need to plug in this cable here, this which is auxiliary. You can see here auxiliary right, live video to H. H is this pin over here. So this is the one H here. So just going to plug in this one here, and then this. So this is the adapter for this cable over here. So we'll just go in here, and then this auxiliary should go with this auxiliary. Okay, so this is for radio in. Okay. This one is this. So we don't need this cable because this is not for this particular model. So this has got audio in, out, subwoofers and all. This cable we don't need basically. Just search for the Google device. Wait, hold this here. Android Play or Apple Play CarPlay thing. Okay, and we will connect the other USB as well. Just a moment. Okay, so we installed this camera here. It came actually free with that, and this is the image which looks okay. It's in the night mode actually. Still see bright. I think it's brightness, everything is good. Yeah, radio looks great, sound quality is good. Navigation, so it has got already Google Map installed. We just need to configure Wi-Fi. We are not configured Wi-Fi. Bluetooth, we have already connected the phone, and the quality is very good. Music, I don't think anything we have in music. Okay. Please connect your phone. How to connect? Android scan.
There's one more surprise.
I can rotate it that.
Connection from music.
Okay. Open AC connection. Connect to car. Okay. Now you go back. You go back.
Wi-Fi you have to connect
AC
first one.
connect.
First you have to connect the
You say connect to phone. Wireless LAN direct connecting.
First you have to connect the
Hmm?
internet. First you have to set up Wi-Fi. I didn't set up Wi-Fi.
So you just set navigation here, Google Maps, and see how that behaves. Okay, so we were able to see the full screen as in like a phone. What was missing is actually auto rotate was turned off. See, just rotates when you turn your phone. So overall, this is really good. We liked it. All the functions are working. Reverse camera automatically switches based on the connection. Front camera is good. Audio quality is good. Everything is good. Okay, everything is fixed. So let's see now. Okay, the system is booting up. It's booting up. It takes a bit time, but so like if you put the reverse camera, it immediately shows, so there's no problem. So we go back. Okay, so radio. Sorry. It works when we press here, volume up and down. Changes channel when we push here. All good. Now we go back and check Bluetooth. It's paired, so basically you have to actually download the contacts by clicking this, otherwise it will not show. Then we go back. So if we go to apps, Epic installer, will just see the front camera. So you can see the front camera, that's also really good. And then we already showed connecting to EC Connect, so it mirrors your Android or iPhone. Yeah, so really good. We like this. It took maybe 2 hours for installation, 2 to 3 hours. Yeah, but it's worth. Okay, you see this, you hear this audio. So this is just with the basic audio. The quality is very good.